Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sour, and today I have a little sample package here I got from Agrogardens. Just getting ready to open it up here. See what we got. Alright, so invoice, got a feeding chart. Okay, all kinds of information here on all the different chemicals. This is pretty neat. You can see it's a pretty decent stack of papers. It's something to look through here. Okay, let's get inside here and see what was in this sample. Let's see. Sent me a lanyard, a pen. There's another feeding chart. Okay, get down in here. And keep in mind, these folks, they reached out to me. I did not reach out to them. I'm going to be trying this in some of my future projects. They sent me a hat. And they sent me all kinds of bottles here. Some Bud Booster. It's pretty neat. I'm kind of curious to reading some more on this and starting to get into it. Bloom Hydro for cocoa. I'm definitely going to be looking at this more heavily in the next few days here, because I'm going to be starting a whole bunch of new stuff here in about a week or so. Just got done thoroughly cleaning. Bloom Hydro and cocoa. So 2 bottles of that. There's a PK 1314. I got a bunch of little bottles of stuff in here. Some Grow Hydro and cocoa. Some CalMag. Some more Grow Hydro. And we've got Bloom Hydro. A lot of bottles in here. Bloom Hydro and cocoa, A, and that other one I just had was B. Some VVA, RTAA, DLF, and RDF, which I believe that is, he said there was some new stuff, or he or she, whoever was the rep that I had that had contacted me. I believe that is where this paperwork is going to come into play. I think that was the new stuff that they are getting ready to come out. Yeah, see, there's the RTAA. So yeah, I'm going to have to sit down and do some quick little research here on seeing what exactly those are and what they each do. But I want to thank AgroGrow a lot. This was a lot of nutrients here. I'm going to be looking, like I said, I'm going to do a little more research on it all here and get a little more familiar with what I all have here. And then begin, I guess I'm going to give it a shot here and start a grow with it and go from there. And then when I get the grow done, I will be back with one of my normal videos in order to I'll let you know how I did with it. Like I said, of course, you know, just from my experience with using different nutrients, the more you use it, the more experience you get with it, the more you learn how to use it better over time. So I'm going to do the best I can with following these charts here that I have. You can see there's a soil chart, and this one is the hydro and cocoa chart. So this is actually going to be the one I'll probably be referring to a lot more. This is kind of the way I go, especially with my autoflowers for sure. I kind of focus more on the hydro cocoa aspect. But yeah, that is what I got going on. So I want to thank AgroGo again for this sample package and reaching out to me. I'm going to give this a shot, get something going with it, and go from there. I want to thank everybody else for liking, subscribing, and watching my videos. It's really awesome to have the support, and hope everybody is having a good 2023 so far, and hopefully this year gets a lot better. Thanks again, everyone, and be safe out there.